Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great day. Well, as you can see, we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. Let's find out what is in the bag. Kind of a poofy bag. All right. Well, we have some tools, and get rid of that bag, and we have cross stitches. This comes from BiggestCraft, and we'll just start with what is on top. And this, hang on, I'm trying to get it out of the bag. I know I should do it the diamond painting way, but you know, some days we're just not there. I just thought these were cute looking. Got a little fluffies there. We're getting it. We're getting it. Isn't that adorable? And it's a little ring that you can put your needle on or your pins. And it's adjustable. I don't know if, there you go. Maybe you can see that. So you can move it in or out depending on where you want to put it. I don't want to get it stuck on my finger. But yeah, I just thought it was cute. I thought it was kind of a little novelty I could set on my shelf there. But very well made. They're $1.99 and they come in random. You can't pick them, I don't think. And this is kind of an iridescent one. I think maybe you can pick them out, so do check that out. But I thought that was cute. I'm just going to set it here so it doesn't get knocked off my desk. And the next little tool that I found, I loved these, the way these looked. You know me, between the color and the design and everything else. It's a pair of scissors, and the scissors were $3.99. But aren't they pretty? They're iridescent, and they're little and tiny. They may replace the ones I got over on my little stitchy place over by my rocking chair. But it has lovely, it looks like filigree, but it's too thick to be filigree. But yeah, beautiful little design. They come in different colors, but I wanted the iridescent ones. And they have kind of a sharp point. See how they cut thread. We're just grabbing a bit of our orts. Oh yeah, it'll cut right through thread. It feels kind of sharp. But yeah, and they're the perfect size. They're not too big. They are about, let's see if I can get it there. 4 1/4 inches. Or about 11 centimeters. So yeah, I thought that would be nice to add to my growing basket of scissors. Yeah, we got all kinds of stuff in here. They all seem to be on one side though. Sooner or later it's going to tip over, but I have my nice big ones and all the way down. So yep, we'll just put it in my little basket. I love that little basket. It was one of the best things that I found at the thrift store. So let's get on to the cross stitch. We have 2 of them, and this one is a 40 by 60, and it was $10.99. And I will put a picture of it here. Get this out of my way. Move everything over. Be right back. All right, I am back. And if I hadn't said it, I will put a picture right there. Isn't that a beautiful pink flower? Just gorgeous. Does have the product number and how big it is here. At the bottom it says it's 233 by 147. This has 40 colors, so it's long and skinny. And the pattern looks great. So does the key. Nice and big and easy to see. Very well printed. And this is an 11 count, if I didn't say that, I swear. All right, so what colors do we have? We have 310 black. We have 498 red, which I'm kind of surprised because it's a pinky thing, so maybe there's not a whole lot of it at all. It's over here in the, like in the center and the darker shaded parts. No 550 purple. We have 823, no 939, no 3371. We have 3770, which is that butter color. And no 3865. We have 3864. So we will see. But very nicely done. Just beautiful pattern. And these are those, excuse me, those retro patterns. We also have a toolkit. Oh, look who it is. It's the tiger again. Hang on, guys. All right. Get you in the middle of the picture here. So we have 5 needles, poop ball, thimble, and a needle threader. So very nice. I love those toolkits because every once in a while I will run out of needles. And it does have an instruction page on how to start, how to finish. That comes with most of these kits. Let's take a look at these antique retro antique colors. Yeah, sorry. Retro. When I think of retro, I think of the 50s and 60s. This is more an antique look to it. So we have kind of peach colors and tans, a little bit of gold. And they're on a thread card, thank goodness. Yeah, I always cheer when they're on the thread card. Means I don't have to fight anything. But lots of beautiful colors, greens, purples, dark corals. There's your red. And an off-white. So this must be 3864. So it's a far cry from 3861. I mean, 3865, sorry. I am having a day. Holy cow, too much information in my brain, I think. Beautiful, beautiful reds, greens, lots of greens, and grays, and your 310 black. So just beautiful. I love these kits. They're just so pretty and so detailed. So, and this one's fair size, so 40 by 60 should get all the details with all those colors. So yeah, let's take a look at the canvas. Canvas is nice and smooth and slick. Very nice. It is serged all the way around. Very nicely printed. Very easy to see. I'll go as slow as I can. Now it's printed kind of lighter than most, so it's going to have some confetti in there to get in all the details, but yeah, I can hardly wait to start this. Just beautiful. And there's number 3, so that must be your 310 black. Yep. So that's like the background of the leaves. Sorry. The background of the leaves. I hate it when there's not a picture on the paper. So, not too bad at all. But yeah, I think it'll be beautiful when it's done. They're all beautiful. Look how big that flower is. I don't know that you can tell that, but that flower is, hang on, we're just going to tell you. Instead of going, it's about, yeah. It's, including leaves, is 24 and a half centimeters, or a little, almost 10 inches. We'll just call it at almost 10. 9.5, 10 inches. So it's huge. Ginormous. By approximately 8 inches. So it's one big flower, but it is going to be gorgeous. You know I love my peonies and my poppies and my pansies. And where is that thing? I need that. I put it away. Hello. All right. So it is approximately 60.5 centimeters that way. And 39.5 centimeters or 15.5 inches. Actual picture size is 13 inches or a little over 33 centimeters by 54 centimeters or about 21.25 inches. So it's got some size on it, but it'll take you a hot moment to get that flower done. Holy cow. But it will be beautiful. Just beautiful. And I was looking at something. I don't know. Beautiful. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I need a drink again. Hang on. Ouch. And I have this lovely fever blister. It's just driving me insane. So, yeah, let's have Christmas and take pictures and have a fever blister. All right, let me get this one out of the bag. All right, this is the next one. Isn't that beautiful? Look at all those blues and pinks and fuchsias. Gorgeous, gorgeous teals, turquoises. Can you ever? It does have the product number here. Let's take a look at the pattern. It's huge. And it says down here it's 39 by 49, 147 by 190. Does have the instructions on how to start, how to finish. I don't see any smudges or smears. This has 42 colors. Wow. All right, so what colors do we have? We have no 310 black. We have 550 purple. We have 823 and no 939. We do have 996, which is that turquoise color. No 3371 or 3770, and it does have 3865 for the white. So I'm assuming it's up here, just a bit here and here, maybe here and there, but yeah, not a whole lot of that 3865. So very nice pattern. I'm very happy that it's printed on there very well, and it does come with a toolkit. We have the bird, 5 needles, poop ball thimble, and needle threader. And the colors, let me shake them down. They're on thread drops. But beautiful blues and purples and teals and corals, greens. Just gorgeous, gorgeous color. Look at that's 550 purple. But it does have a rubber band holding them all together. But the blues in this are just outstanding. Outstanding. Yeah. Just gorgeous. All right, hang on. All right, I am back. So this one's a little bit smaller than the other one. Looks very nicely printed. Very easy to see. Just gorgeous. And it does tell you how big it is here. So the paper on both these kits, paper patterns will match the canvas. Before I forget, but very nice key. Even the serging does not go into the numbers, so that's awesome. Let's open it up if I can get it there. Let's see. It is 49.5 centimeters or 19.5 inches, so it is a little bit much smaller than the other one. So this is 16 inches or a little over 40.5 centimeters. Actual picture size is 34 centimeters or almost 13.5 inches by 17 inches or about 43 centimeters. So very nice size. This does not look like it has a whole lot of, I can hardly talk, hang on, a whole lot of confetti in it, because there's nice and bigger places here and there and everywhere. So very nice. I'm so thrilled that there's not a whole bunch of confetti. You got a little bit down through in here, a little bit over in here. So very nice, very well done. I really like this company. Canvas is nice and smooth. It's not rough against your skin. I just love it. Love, love, love it. And that is it from BiggestCraft. Now, they do have cross stitch. They do not have diamond painting. They have latch hook. And they have free shipping on orders over $49. If they have any specials or sales or whatever, I will put that in the description box below, along with if I have any discount codes for any of the things there. They also sell beads, so, and punch needle and Q-snaps, holy cow, and beaded cross stitch. They have just a little bit of those. And they have lots of tools, you know, like the scissors and the hoops and stuff like that. But they always have a nice wide variety of everything that you'd ever need for a cross stitch, an embroidery, or a latch hook. So do check them out. Thank you, BiggestCraft, for the beautiful, beautiful kits and tools that you sent me today. I love them all. So we'll have to get something started soon. Alright guys, thank you for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.